You'll see even the toilet seat is made out of gold. A few days ago someone put a toilet seat with a sofa. Subhanallah. So the Shaitan's house is being beautified and the masjids are empty. Toilet is the house of Shaitan. I like to divert, Allah Ta'ala make me maaf for wasting your time, You'll be like, Maulana, he just says whatever he wants. Back in the days, people used to go to the jungle, to the forest to go to the toilet. So the house of Shaitan was where? In the forest. Away from the village, away from the towns. So early morning people used to go, relieve themselves. Then they used to be so healthy, whole day they never needed to go again. Imam Ghazali rahmatullah alayhi says, once I started visiting the toilet 3 times a week. At one point in my life, I started visiting the toilet 3 times a week. Not a day. So someone told me that, do you have diarrhea? Do you have diarrhea? I said, why? He said, I seen you 3 times in the week, you're going to the toilet. That's how healthy people were. They didn't need to visit the toilet much. They would eat just sufficient to keep their back straight and then move on with work. It would burn. Then the toilets came into our garden. So be like, oh, modern day. Back in the days, that was the modern day, modern age. That now we have a ready-made toilet built in our garden. So we don't have to go all the way to the forest. Just open the kitchen door and you behind. And this was 50, 60 years ago, not long back. And then, so the Shaitan came in our garden. And now, the Shaitan has come in our house. The toilet is in the house. New day and age. And now even modern, they have an ensuite. What's ensuite? Shaitan suite. That the toilet is in the bedroom. So you don't have to move. You don't have to go anyway. So that nowadays family problems and everyone is fighting and this and that. Be like, why? Because you've brought the Shaitan in the house yourself. Allah Ta'ala save us. Think about it later on, inshallah. I don't say go back to the jungle. Stay as you are, but just come to the masjid, read your Salah, read your Quran, Shaitan will go away, inshallah.